Today, we will be doing a brief overview of the various configuration tools and support utilities that are available with the Adroit SCADA software and the reason for their existence. Another key element using the configurator is to set up the agent and tag logging requirements. The Adroit SCADA has its own powerful historian capabilities. It allows for long-term recording of any agent values. The term we use for this function is data logging, or just logging. Let's select the bin1 level agent. We can now log the data as it changes to the hard drive. This data is then made available to our trending subsystem to view the data as and when required. When you click on the Log button, you will be taken to the Data Logging Configuration dialog window. Select the slot or property you want to log, and in this case, we want to log the value slot of the bin1 level agent. There are various modes of logging, including continuous, demand, and both. Continuous means logging the value to disk whenever it changes, and demand means logging the value whenever the trigger tag changes. We can also specify the length of time that we want to keep the log data for, as well as the time deadband before we log. The default is 10 days, and the time deadband's default is set to take a sample every 10 seconds. We will change the deadband to 1 second. This configuration means we will be logging the value slot every second for 10 days. Check on the Start Radio button, then click OK. At this point in time, logging is occurring in the background for bin1 level.value. The next video in this series covers the Agent Explorer utility.